Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain some basic effects. Let's begin! Let's start! Among the effects used in Premiere Pro, the effects that are provided as standard, such as scale and position, are called basic effects. Let's take a look at the basic effects. First, select the clip for which you want to display the basic effect. Select Effect Controls from the tab on the upper left source panel. Now you can see the basic effects. There's another way to open it. Select the Effects tab. Select a clip. Then, Effect Controls is displayed on the upper left. The screen layout is optimal for editing effects, so it's easy to use. This is a basic effects item. Let's look at each one. Position allows you to change the display position of the clip. The display position of the clip can be freely changed in this way. In utilizing the anchor point, the movement or rotation of the position is performed with reference to the anchor point. Please keep that in mind. This is the anchor point. The initial position is set to the center. Scale allows you to control the size displayed on the screen. I tried setting the scale to 50 with the anchor point placed in the center of the initial position. You can see that the scale is shrinking around the anchor point. Next, let's change the opacity. Keep in mind that the less the opacity value, the greater the transparency. I tried setting the opacity to 30%. This concludes the explanation of basic effects. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.